Okay, now for probably the toughest part of this whole build is going to be the installation of the AIO. It's got two fans, two 120mm fans, and here's our pretty RGB pump head. But we're just gonna get this in here. Alright, so I've taken everything out of the box and kind of separated it. So you can see we have our pump head right here. Right now it has the Intel bracket on it, so we're going to have to switch that. I'll try to have to avoid touching this too much or smearing it because that's our thermal paste. Alright, so now we have the AMD bracket on there, and I've just kind of mapped it out for myself to know which way they need to go.